Hi there, I'm Andrew, welcome to Urban Rider for another look at some of the world's finest riding gear. Today we're going to be looking at the Tucano Urbano POL-ICE jacket. The only frustration that we have around the Tucano POL-ICE jacket that we have here is the fact it's taken so long to arrive. This is a jacket that is essentially a winterized version of the best-selling pole jacket, a shortcut, classically inspired spring-summer wax cotton riding garment, a winning formula, and they've decided to apply that same formula into a winter package that can be used from winter but throughout the rest of the season as well. And cleverly, they've called it the POL-ICE. Do you see what they did there? That's marketing genius, no doubt. But in all seriousness, this is a fantastic jacket, and just like its predecessor, the Pole, which still will continue in the summer range, this one is waterproof, it's breathable, and unlike the wax cotton exterior on the POL-ICE that we have here has an Oxford polyamide outer with Hydroscood, seam sealed, waterproof and breathable membrane underneath that. This is also level AC approved as a whole, so it's passed the various standards in terms of impact and abrasion resistance, and it also comes included at the price of £199.99 with level 1 armour in the shoulders and elbows, which can be removed. You do have a pocket to optionally upgrade for back protection as well. In terms of the rest of the features, you get the same style cues that you had with the Pole in this package. So you've got the quilted shoulder and elbow sections, giving it that classic, slightly Mojave jacket inspired look that's very popular in our market. And it's surprising that it's Tucano's first sort of full season classically inspired design they've really done since we've been working with them. We're sure it's going to work really well with people in our market because it's quite a lot for the money. You've got a few comfort features which add nice detail touches to the jacket, such as the piping around the cuffs and the collars. And in the actual cuffs itself, you have a really nice lycra elasticated wristband, which helps prevent any unwanted air from getting up. You also have a removable thermal body warmer, which extends all the way down the sleeves. And so that can mean that the jacket can be used on the really cold days, but equally, of course, you take it out and you suddenly have a much lighter weight jacket. You've got seam sealed zips with YKK pulls, and you can have ventilation open there on those hotter days just to allow more of the air flow to get through, making this a genuine 12 season jacket. Although it's being released as an autumn winter item, it has that versatility owing to its all-weather nature. So it's a jacket you could genuinely use throughout the year, unlike the Pole. You have access zips here on the side, which are also waterproof closures, and you've also got quite subtle branding on this. This is something we're really proud of. We always fight brands to reduce the visibility of their branding, because the reality is most people don't want their logo all over the back of their jacket. So in the case of this one, we have a very nice subtle Tucano little emblem here down by the lower waist side. And moving around to the back, you'll see you have a really nice clean back to it as well, with that quilted section on this slightly dropped back, which is going to be good for when you're leant forward on the bike and preventing any exposed areas. There was a massive logo here, and like I said, we're quite pleased that we managed to convince them to remove that, because I think this jacket looks much better for it. It looks genuinely classy, and I think it works really well in this fabric with this design. You've got Tucano's reflective system, which is visibility on demand, so you can flip up this section on the cuff and on the collar as well, just to give you a little bit of high vis if you need it. As you can see down here, you have adjustability as well, with a couple of different snap options to tailor it in at the waist as required. So you've got quite a good deal of customization in terms of the fit going on as well. Mercifully, the actual fit is true to size as well. You can check the full size guide details over at urbanrider.co.uk if you want to find out different measurements from side to side and the length of the body and so on in each and every size in the range. But broadly speaking, this fits true. So here I have the large. I have just under a 42-inch chest, and this fits me nicely. So it's definitely true to our size guide. I'm 6'2", so slightly longer in the body. Don't be alarmed if this looks a little bit short on me. It's because I have a slightly longer torso. I think for most people, it's not going to be any kind of an issue. Going down inside the jacket, we have this nice Tucano engraved emblem on the zipper, and just that little flap there just underneath the external zipper, just preventing too much of the air or water from getting through the outer section. Inside the jacket, we have this nice quilted thermal removable body warmer, which, as I said, extends all the way down the sleeves, and you've got the storage pocket either side with a simple snap closure. It's not going to be the most secure place. I think the external pocket is the best place to put something like your mobile. So overall, the Tucano POL-ICE, you get a lot of jacket for the money, £199.99, and you're getting something CE approved. So it's really well put together from a very, very well established brand with, I think, styling that looks great and can be used throughout the year as well. So if you have any questions about the jacket, please leave it in the comments section below. And as always, stay tuned for more video reviews of the world's finest riding gear. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Goodbye.